Hello everyone, I am Shivnath from Lotus Petal Foundation of Pratishthan Learning Center. Today I am going to tell you about force and motion. Objectives: concept of force, types of force, learn about inertia, mass, momentum, explain Newton's three laws of motion, derive the relationship between force, mass and acceleration. Force: push or pull acting on an object is known as force. Type of force: balanced force, unbalanced force. Balanced force: when two or more forces acting on an object in opposite direction balance each other, then the forces are known as balanced force. These objects do not change its position because forces are acting on it in opposite direction. Unbalanced force: when force acting on an object and change its state of rest or motion, then the force is known as unbalanced force. Inertia: inertia is the tendency of object to stay at rest or to keep moving with same velocity. Mass is basically measure of inertia. Newton's first law of motion. According to Newton's first law of motion, state that every body continues its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line until unless it is completed by some unbalanced force to change that state. Example: passenger falling in the backward direction when the bus starts suddenly because of Newton's first law. Momentum. Momentum is defined as the product of its mass and velocity. The SI unit of momentum is kg/meter per second. Newton's second law of motion. According to Newton's second law of motion, state that the rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the force acting on it and take place in the same direction as the force. Derive the relationship between force, mass and acceleration by using second law of motion. The rate of change of momentum P2 minus P1 upon T. According to second law of motion, the magnitude of force F is F alpha P2 minus P1 upon T, or F is equal to K P2 minus P1 upon T. Now substituting the value of P1 is equal to mu and P2 is equal to mv, we get F is equal to K mv minus mu upon T. Now K, we take m common in the equation, v minus u upon T. Now v minus u upon T is the rate of change of velocity, which is acceleration. F is equal to km. Now k become 1. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. The unit of force is called Newton and its symbol is capital N. Newton's third law of motion. According to Newton's third law of motion, state that to every action there is always an equal and opposite reaction. Action and reaction always act on two different bodies. Thank you.